There is no doubt that e-commerce and dropshipping is profitable. But hold on there. This doesn't mean you should plunge into e-commerce straight away. There's a lot of things to consider first, which will help you reach your financial goals. That's why, in this video, we'll show you if e-commerce businesses are really profitable. So, what is an e-commerce business? An e-commerce business is any business that buys and sells goods or services over the internet. E-commerce businesses will digitally transfer money and data to execute these online transactions. Is starting an e-commerce business worth it? Yes, starting an e-commerce business is worth it, as the growth of e-commerce is remarkable for any business, but along with the growth, it needs complete commitment and knowledge. Should you buy or build your e-commerce business? The growth of any business relates to its start and its peak. However, many modern studies state that buying a well-established e-commerce business can be effective instead of building a new business. This conflict of thoughts has its conditions and aspects. Hence, we have the detail for both the condition and its after effects. Media spend and attribution. Media spend is often one of the largest expenses for a brand's e-commerce channels, and as such represents one of the most legible opportunities to increase profitability. Amazon relationship. With Amazon being the largest source of e-commerce revenue for most brands, reviewing the selling relationship and tightening trade terms with Amazon can be one of the highest leverage activities for a brand in improving their profitability. How to start an e-commerce business. 1. Find product opportunities and choose what to sell.